Hi everyone, this is Chetan here. Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing how to build plant disease detection system by training your own AI model. Lot many people are interested in training AI model, but they often prevent themselves from taking action because they think that only those people with powerful laptops can train AI models, but that is not true. Everyone with laptop can train AI models, that is by utilizing the facilities which are provided by Kaggle as well as Google Colab, because you can access free GPU. By using that, you can train your own AI model even though you're not having a powerful laptop. Let me be honest with you all, this video is made only for beginners because I'll not be explaining the code line by line. Instead, I'll be uploading a Google Drive link where you can access the training file which is used to train and save the model, the loading file which is used to load the model to check whether the model is performing well on unseen images, and also I'll be uploading the dataset which I have created on my own upon which the model will be trained. The reason why I am providing all the resources is because in this AI era, it is not necessary for anyone to learn anything from scratch. All people need is a proper guidance which will help them to get started in whichever journey that they are currently pursuing. So, what I require you to do is simple. Copy paste the same training file, copy paste the same loading file as I'll be showing in the video, and execute the training file to train and save the model. Execute the loading file to load the model as I'll be showing in the video. And the main aim that I'm carrying in this video is simple. At the end of the video, if you watch my video completely, follow each and every step which I have shown, after that you will be able to train and save your own AI model. This builds your confidence and this will also help you to get some clarity on how to train the AI model, upon which you can start training your own AI models by preparing your own dataset, thereby making yourself a person who can train AI model for practical usage. So this is the aim that I am carrying. Hopefully, you'll be able to utilize the resources which I am providing properly. So without wasting time, let me begin with the task. I have already created a notebook, and if anyone is not knowing how to use Kaggle, I have published a video where I have explained Kaggle completely so that you will be able to grasp everything quickly. So this is the training file which I have got, and you will be able to access this training file in the resource which I'll be providing through a Google Drive link. You can copy paste the same training file. So I'm using TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a Python library which is used to train and build model. And this is the dataset path which I have specified. This is the dataset which I have already uploaded into the input section of the Kaggle. I have classified the images into two categories, healthy and unhealthy, and I'm training the model on this dataset. The image size which I have considered is 448, the batch size is 2, epoch is 10. Like I have kept 10, you can keep it 15 or 20. Let me execute this training file so that the model will be trained. And one important thing which I want to share here is that if I directly click this button to execute the cell right in this page, then there are some high chances that the model training may get interrupted due to some external factors, because of which the model may not get trained. In order to prevent that from happening, it is better to click this save version button. If I click save version button, there will be no interruption causing or preventing the model from getting trained and saved completely. So let me click the save version button. I'll type any random name. Click on save button. Yes, you can see our action has been reflected here. I'll click on this and this will get navigated to another page. As you can see, the log message is already displayed. And one more important thing which I want to show here is that while the training file is getting executed, do not click on notebook, input, output, comments, settings, or any other tab, because until and unless the training file is successfully executed, you should not click on these tabs because it will stop the model from training completely. And keep the computer on until the training file is successfully executed. This might take 1 hour to 3 hours, and after the training file is successfully executed, you can navigate to output tab to download the result or train model. Well, the training file is successfully executed. You can navigate to the output tab. This is the model which has been trained and saved after executing the training file. Click on this button which is right next to the output label. Click on download output. The zip file will start getting downloaded. So this is the output which got downloaded. Now the next task is to extract this, because it is not really necessary to upload the complete folder into the input section. We need to upload only this model into the Kaggle for loading it in order to check whether the model is performing well on unseen data. So come back to the Kaggle website, click on upload. This time select new model as we are uploading the model. Click on browse files, select the model and click on open. Give any random name. Select Keras as a framework. Select the first option for license. Let it be private and click on create. Once it is uploaded successfully, click on close. You can see the model which we uploaded is being displayed in the input section. So this is the loading file which I'll be using. I have provided this loading file as a resource which you can access through Google Drive link. So copy this path of best model.keras and try to paste it here. Do the same thing for dataset. Copy the path and paste it. Now execute this file. Yes, the loading file is successfully executed. As you can see, the Gradio interface has been displayed. And the special thing about this loading file is that I'm not using the traditional method like copy pasting the URL of the image and then testing the model upon that image by specifying the URL. Instead, I have used a special library function called Gradio in Python, which provides me this user friendly interface to upload the image and see the result. So let me click on this button. Let me select this image of a leaf. From naked eye, it looks like LD image. Let me see what the model predicts. Click on submit button. Yes, the model is correctly predicting that this leaf is LD. Let me check with another image. Click on clear button. This looks like an LD image. Let me see what the model predicts. Click on submit button. Yes, the model says that this leaf in the image is unhealthy. So this was all about plant disease detection system, and the aim of making this video is quite simple. I've shown the way to train the model. Whatever you have learned from this video, keep this as a foundation and start training your own AI models. That's what I may suggest you. So, thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning. I'll be coming up with more important concepts in order to help you in whichever way it is possible. Until then, thank you so much and please do not forget to subscribe.